For most Filipinos, Christmas is the best time of the year. It is not just a religious feast, but has evolved into a family reunion and reminds everyone of the spirit of giving, love, unity, friendship, and to some, the spirit of forgiveness. Christmas officially starts on the Burr months. That means September, October, November, and December, and extends up till the Feast of the Three Kings in January. Don't be surprised if in September you see houses decorated with Christmas ornaments, and business establishments, especially the malls, are lavishly adorned with Christmas decorations and play Christmas carols. Even government buildings participate in the early celebration festivities, adorning local government buildings and even street posts with Christmas lights and decor.
Christmas in the Philippines started as an influence from our Spanish colonizers in the 1500s. And while Christmas vibes may be felt as early as September 1, the proper celebration actually begins on December 16 with the start of the Misa de Gallo or Mass at the Rooster's Crow, a series of church masses at dawn celebrating the life of Jesus, and ends on December 24th or Christmas Eve. And maybe unique to the Philippines, there is a tradition after the Misa de Gallo for the mass attendees to have warm snacks like puto bongbong, bibingka, local delicacies made from fancy ground sticky rice and flavored with milk, sugar, and coconut. This is all part of the Pinoy's extended celebration of the Christmas season. In the Philippines, with 2.2 million overseas Filipino workers, Christmas is the best time of the year to reunite with family members. For many OFWs, it is their highlight of their year, but if it is not possible to come back home, they will still make sure that most of the traditional activities like Misa de Gallo, Christmas parties, gift giving or gift exchanging will still be celebrated with friends and maybe even some family members in their adoptive countries. To most Pinoys, it is the time for gift giving, parties, and family gatherings with festive food and drinks to celebrate the spirit of the season. Don't be surprised to hear people having fun and singing on their videoke or karaoke machines from every corner of the local village.
Entire families can be seen kneeling in front of their patriarchs and matriarchs, a Filipino tradition of mano po, wherein the young members of the family ask for their elders' blessings. Carolers on the streets can also be seen, and children line up for gifts, candies, and usually anticipate a meeting with their godparents, who tradition dictates must give their godchildren special gifts. The Philippines has the longest Christmas celebration in the world and will continue to do so because it is a season for a country that, with a majority of the population living in poverty, provides hope for a better tomorrow, but also a season that honors the love and bond between members of each family, with every moment added to wonderful memories. If you like this content or found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button.